Jai Srimanarayana. 27th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu tishtantam parameswaram विनश्यत्सु अविनश्यन्तं यः पश्यति स पश्यति। ओम Realize that you are known as Atma. You are ruling your body. So also all the living beings, those bodies are ruled by those different Atmas. And also realize the fact that all these Atmas ruling the bodies are the same. While realizing this, act and behave accordingly. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja Ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall realize that I am known as Atma. I am ruling my body. So also all the bodies are ruled by those different Atmas. And all these Atmas are the same. While realizing this fact, I shall try to act and behave accordingly. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapetaकृत्यam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhutahridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 254th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma along with his Gopala's friends entering into Nandavraj. When they were entering, all the women, girls from Nandavraj, when they get to see Krishna and his beautiness and his handsomeness, they were all shocked, surprised, and they drowned, immersed in great amount of happiness to see Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then they all entered into Nandavraj. After that, Adhyanena Mahavyalo Yasodananda Sununa, Gopalas started telling everyone loudly like this. Penubamu tammu mringinam manananda sutundu పాము మర్దించి మమున్ మణిచన్ అని ఘోషించిరి కుమారులు ఆ ఘోషములో. All the Gopalas started screaming and telling everyone that our Nandanandana, Yasodanandana, Sri Krishna protected all of us in that forest from a big, huge snake. Like that everybody saying. So this story now Sri Sukha Yogindra telling Parikshit Narendra. Then Parikshit Narendra got a doubt asking like this. Oh Yogindra, Krishna is not Gopika's son, but Gopikas loving Krishna so much, even more than their own sons. Kadham bhavet. How come these Gopikas loving so much Krishna more than their own sons? And please, Kathyatam, tell me the secret behind it. Like that when Parikshit Narendra asked Sri Sukha Yogindra saying like this, Ho Parikshit Narendra, Sarveshamapi Bhutanam Svatmaiva Vallabhaha. In this world, everybody loves their own selves. They love their sons, their wealth, their houses and everything because they give them happiness. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra telling. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 27th sloka. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu tishtantam parameswaram vinasyatsa vinasyantam yah pasyati sapasyati. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu tishtantam parameswaram vinasyatsa vinasyantam yah pasyati sapasyati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.